Introducing the all-new JMC Conquer EV, incorporating various innovative technologies, setting new standards for electric light-duty trucks in terms of performance, energy efficiency, driving range, and braking. It represents a new benchmark. Part 1. Electrifying design. First, let's admire its dreamlike and futuristic design. The all-new Conquer EV features an exclusive front face designed specifically for new energy vehicles. The traditional grille has been replaced with a sleek, flat design language, enhancing its technological appeal. Especially noteworthy are the LED combination headlights and the ice blue decorative strip that runs through them, exuding a strong sense of futuristic technology. Part 2. Integrated mid-mounted battery pack. The core components of an electric vehicle are the battery, motor, and electronic control system. The all-new Conquer EV adopts a mid-mounted layout for its battery pack, maximizing the use of available space. A single battery pack can achieve a maximum capacity of up to 100 kilowatt-hours. Due to the battery's packed mid-mounted layout within the vehicle's frame, it frees up space on both sides of the frame, providing ample room for modifications. Additionally, compared to the standard side-mounted pack, the integrated bottom-mounted battery pack simplifies the support structure and reduces the number of interlinked water pipes, resulting in a weight reduction of 150 kilograms and 2% increase in driving range. It also provides enhanced safety and collision protection. It utilizes CATL latest LFP battery cells, combined with a liquid cooling system for the battery pack. The battery cells have a high cycle life of up to 3,500 cycles, with less than 20% capacity attenuation. The battery system boasts a high energy density of up to 160 watt-hours per kilograms. Undergoing rigorous tests such as puncture, high-temperature exposure, drop tests, and vibrations, the battery pack proves to be reliable and secure. The battery pack is rated IP68 for waterproofing, ensuring it remains safe even when continuously submerged in water up to 1 meter deep. Part 3. Bosch High-Torque Flat-Wire Motor. JMC utilizes a bias electric drive axle based on Bosch's flat-wire motor, with a maximum power of 167 kilowatts and a peak torque of 420 newton-meters. The maximum wheel-side driving force is 17,000 newtons, and the maximum wheel-side output torque is 6,434 newton-meters. The flat-wire motor features a higher slot fill factor, which reduces copper consumption and significantly improves energy conversion efficiency, thereby enhancing the vehicle's overall driving range. Compared to traditional round-wire motors, the flat-wire motor offers tighter coil packing, leading to improved heat dissipation and better acceleration performance under lower temperature conditions. With the increasing slot fill factor of the flat-wire motor, the copper wire filling volume is raised by 20 to 30% within the same volume, resulting in a 20 to 30% increase in output power and providing the vehicle with stronger overall driving performance. The flat wire motor's windings experience higher stress and rigidity, giving better stiffness and effectively reducing electromagnetic noise. The motor's protection rating reaches IP67, ensuring dust and water resistance. It can operate in environments with temperatures ranging from -40 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for customers in high temperature and extremely cold regions. Part 4. Silicon Carbide Electronic Control System. Our silicon carbide integrated electronic control system is compact and lightweight. Its simple vehicle layout and wiring make it easier to install and reduce the overall weight. It integrates motor controllers, DC-DC converters, PDUs, high-voltage power distribution units, and air pump motor controllers, leading to lower overall vehicle wiring costs, reduced manufacturing expenses, and a more aesthetically pleasing arrangement. The controllers adopt silicon carbide power modules to minimize power losses, achieving a peak efficiency of 99.5%. Combined with variable frequency and over-modulation software strategies, the power system operates more efficiently, resulting in extended driving range. The complete assembly has an IP68 protection rating, ensuring the controller's reliability during production and maintenance without the need to dismantle the cover. The system has undergone 30,000 kilometers of vehicle durability testing, proving its high quality and reliability. The silicon carbide power modules in the controller require lower water flow for cooling, reducing cooling power consumption and allowing the system to operate efficiently even in higher temperature environments. It supports remote diagnosis and programming, featuring a quick plug and external fuse design, which enables faster vehicle debugging, higher maintenance efficiency, and easier aftermarket and function upgrades. Part 5. Low energy consumption, long range. The all-new Conquer EV achieves an impressive 33.3 kWh per 100 km energy consumption and a comprehensive driving range of up to 310 km, which is 10% lower in energy consumption compared to its competitors. The integrated deflector reduces airflow impact at the front of the container, offering 15% less wind resistance than traditional deflectors. The 13 degrees optimal A-pillar angle and integrated front face design balance aesthetics with drag reduction, achieving a vehicle drag coefficient as low as 0.38. Equipped with low rolling resistance tires, the vehicle's rolling resistance coefficient is reduced to 0.0065, further contributing to its energy efficiency. By using silicon carbide power modules in the controller, power losses are minimized, leading to a peak efficiency of 99.5% and optimizing energy consumption by 2%. The electronic hydraulic brake (EHB) system decouples the brake pedal from hydraulic pressure, resulting in a strong energy recovery during braking. The comprehensive energy recovery during various driving conditions can reach up to 19%, enhancing the driving range by 7%. Part 6. Powerful performance. 0 to 50 km per hour acceleration time is 6.2 seconds, leading its competitors in performance. Part 7. Brake safety. The electronic hydraulic brake (EHB) system, featuring an electric motor-driven master cylinder, provides greater braking force with a maximum pressure of 16 megapascals, 2 megapascals higher than vacuum boosters. The EHB's high hydraulic pressure control accuracy results in faster response time, 300 milliseconds compared to a vacuum booster's 400 milliseconds, ensuring a more responsive and secure braking experience. The EHB adopts a permanent magnet synchronous motor, ensuring long lifespan and stable performance, independent of air pressure and providing a safer and more reliable braking system. In the case of a total vehicle weight of 6 tons, the vehicle achieves a stopping distance of as short as 24 meters from 60 to 0 kilometers per hour, surpassing its competitors by 3 to 4 meters. Part 8. Stable handling, easy and safe steering. The all-new Conquer EV is equipped with the XEPS electric circulation ball steering system, which improves steering responsiveness and ensures lighter steering at low speeds and stable steering at high speeds, enhancing driving comfort and safety. The vehicle is also fitted with the lateral stabilizer bar, increasing lateral stiffness to prevent excessive body roll during steering, ensuring safer turns. Part 9. Comfortable and rational cabin design. Inside the cabin, the all-new Conquer EV offers comfortable seating, providing passengers with a car-like interior experience. The foldable brake handle enables a single-row berth function for resting. Part 10. Rich and convenient storage space. The vehicle features up to 17 storage spaces, including overhead storage box, cup holders at both ends of the dashboard, open storage box for the co-driver, and cart slots, providing convenient and flexible storage for personal belongings. It also has additional hooks at the rear and a 2-liter cup holder to accommodate various sized bottles. Part 11. Intelligent interaction. The all-new Conquer EV can be equipped with a 10.1-inch large screen, offering smart and convenient entertainment and interaction features. It integrates FM AM, Bluetooth, USB, supporting 2.1 amperes fast charging. Music, images, videos, HD RVC and AVM compatibility, and smartphone connectivity. Introducing the all-new JMC Conquer EV electric light-duty truck benchmark.